Hello everyone, welcome to part C of the topic sexual reproduction in animals. Let's proceed with the fifth group, Osteichthyes. This group referred to as the bony fish, a group of fish that have skeletons primarily composed of bone tissue. One of the examples is the seahorse from the family Syngnathidae. Seahorse is also an example of ovoviviparous animal, as the fertilized eggs are kept in the male's pouch and nourished by the egg yolk. After the eggs hatch, the male will then give birth. Yes, male seahorse is the one who gets pregnant and gives birth. Alright, just a bit on the reproductive organs for seahorse. Let's focus on the brood pouch of the male and the ovipositor of the female. Brood pouch is a pouch that is located at the ventral side of the male seahorse. During mating, the female seahorse inserts her ovipositor into the male's brood pouch and deposits her eggs into it. So, this picture shows the female seahorse depositing her eggs into the male's brood pouch. As the female releases her eggs, her body slims down while the male swells up. Male then releases sperm into the pouch and then fertilizing the eggs. Interestingly, the fertilization is physiologically external, yet within a physical internal environment due to the closure of the brood pouch. Each embryo is nourished by their individual yolk sac. Male seahorse gives birth to tiny seahorses after they are fully developed. Now, in terms of parental care, we can consider that there is evidence of the adults taking care of the young in seahorses. The male look after their fry, the young seahorses, until they are fully dependent. Moving on to the next group, amphibia. Examples of amphibians are the anurans, which are the frogs and toads. The fertilization in frogs is external. Just a quick glance on the reproductive organs of frogs. Sperms are produced in the testes and then expelled out during mating through the cloaca. In female, eggs are produced in the ovary and also expelled out during mating through the cloaca. So these are the summarized functions of the urogenital organs of frogs. During mating or breeding season, both male and female frogs would display a unique reproductive behavior. As the fertilization in frogs are external, it is crucial to make sure that both male and female are at the same place at the same time. Temporally and spatially synchronized since the eggs and sperms unite outside of the body. So in frogs, to make this happen, they have developed this mating call, which is displayed by the male frogs. This mating call is to attract receptive female frogs. How do the male frogs look like as they make their mating call? Yep, just like in these pictures. Or sometimes even more elaborated like this. So after the mating call, as the female frog is attracted, both of them will be in this mating position known as amplexus. Amplexus is a position in which the male will be on top of the female, clasping or grasping her on the back. The male anurans do not have penis, as they deposit their sperms through their cloaca. So, during the amplexus, as both male and female frogs are in their mating position, the female and male will discharge the eggs and sperms into the water through their cloaca. This behavior is called spawning, where large amount of eggs and sperms are released. Remember, one of the characteristics of animals with external fertilization is that it involves or produces large number of gametes. It's only natural as it takes place outside, and in order to increase the possibility of fertilization, the gametes produced needs to be abundant. On another note, parental care is usually lacking in animals with external fertilization, including frogs. Yet, in some species of frogs, the behavior of carrying their babies are observed. Such parental care includes incubating the eggs on their back, in the mouth, or stomach. You may see the dads guarding over their clutch of eggs, or even transporting them on their back, like this one. Can you spot the tadpole? Alright, part C is a wrap. See you in the last part, part D. Thank you.